Hey YouTube, it's Simpsons4567 here. I wanted to do an update. So today I bought a new camcorder. As you can see, the video quality of this is phenomenal. It's a Canon Fs30. It's around a $245 camera, and I got it for around $200. So let's see if I can let you see the quality up close. Maybe make sure it stays. Do this. So you can see the quality. It's pretty amazing. As you can see, I'm way on the other side of the layout here, and you can still hear me. So turn on that guy there. See, it looks really good. The sound quality is almost just amazing. So, yeah, this camcorder is definitely got some added touches I love about it. So, yeah, for $200, Canon camera, you couldn't. It's just, yeah. As you can see, I can see all the detail there. See that quality? It's got a 8 gig built-in memory, which is awesome. So you can see, I got all my. Got my ace there, but I mean, this camera is just, it's phenomenal. Came with a pretty simple program to install on the computer and learn how to use. You know, pretty easy, pretty simple, pretty basic. So, you know, you can see the zoom. Awesome camera, and it's such a step up from my pocket camera videos to, you know, this. It's like, wow. So I mean, yeah, this camera is awesome. So yeah, it's a Canon Fs30. Got it for $200. It has a built-in 8 gigabyte memory. You can also get an SD card for it, which I probably will. Just get another 8 gig SD memory card for it, so then I'll have a lot of memory. But yeah, so I mean, you can see, I can stand way back here. Look at that detail. You can see almost, I mean, yeah, I mean, you can read if I can hold it steady enough. RP, see. Bad hand, shake hand, but that's all the way back there. I mean, you could read that without, you know, minus my shaking my hand. But I mean, so yeah, this camera's got a really good image stabilization system in it. Canon's got one of the best out there I know of. You know, I'm not trying to start any wars here, but I think Canon's a pretty good brand to buy, and they have a good name behind themselves. So, I mean, if you're looking for a pretty decent camera, decently priced, I'd go with the Canon Fs30. Take a look at. They also have like the Fs35 or whatever. It's a little bit more money, some more features, HD, whatever. You get more expensive, but this is your standard definition Canon Fs30 camera. So, yeah, this camera's pretty awesome. So, yeah, tell me what you think, and thanks for watching.